In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this chocolate brown body wave wig. And I got this in my WIG subscription box.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DeCardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Yo, I literally just hit 2K subscribers on YouTube. I'm excited. I'm very excited. So if you are watching this, I am doing a giveaway. I'm doing 2 giveaways, you know, reaching 2,000 subscribers. Like, giveaway 2 giveaways. Wait, giveaway. Do 2 giveaways. So I have a new unit today, you guys. Of course, you already know that, because if you see me, you're going to see a new unit. Okay? Okay. Cardi B. So I got tired of wearing my natural hair. Figures. I love to change my hair. That's just how I do it. Like, what? I really can't keep a hairstyle more than 2 weeks. That's facts. I really can't. I don't know why. I mean, even before this content, y'all, I'm changing my hair. I don't know why. It's in me. It ain't built. Wait, what is the saying? I don't even know the saying, but I don't even think y'all even know what I'm saying. It's not in me, or it's not built in me. It's in me, or it's what? Scratch all that. Maybe it's not built in me. It's in me. I give up. Scratch all that, baby. Let's get into this new unit I got for y'all today. So I ain't never heard of this brand. I ain't never heard of this company. So maybe y'all have, but maybe y'all should try it, because I'm trying it. I can't be the only one that's trying this stuff. If I'm giving y'all something, baby, y'all try it too. Don't let me be the only one. If you like it, baby, get it. Ooh, looky, yeah. Look at this. Baby, this model right here, what she's wearing, she's serving. She was like, I'm here. This is so cute. Let's get into it. Subduction Rose Signature Wig. Y'all, I'm not for sure if that's the name of the brand or not, but y'all already know. The link to this is going to be in the description box. So this is like an HD invisible lace deep part wig with baby hairs. Okay. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. Ooh. This is 28 inches long, baby. She is almost at 30, so this is about to be long. Y'all know I love them long units. Okay. I got her in the color F4/27. Now the model she's wearing, what is she wearing? Because it is, she is wearing a off natural white. So it's like an ombre color. If you see the picture, you know what? I'm showing y'all this, baby. Let me open her. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Look at her. So if you guys see this stock card anywhere and you see this item, it's called SLP Nary. But anyway, SLP.NARI. That's the name of this unit. She's not black, baby. She really does look like a natural color. I'm loving that. Like, what? Girl, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, let's go ahead and take her out. I want to see this lace area, and it better be good. Cause baby, she said invisible lace. It says 100% virgin Remy touch. Baby, she finna be, she shouldn't be good. Ooh, whoa. Look at the lace. I ain't even take it out, but look at it. Let me take it out real quick. Oh my god. Give me my wig. You doing too much. You doing too much. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, look at the lace. Look at the lace. Look at the color. The color is beautiful. I'm loving it. Like, I love bright colors. Don't get me wrong. I love I love bright colors, but this right here, baby, this is natural. Alright, so let's go ahead and take her out this net. Ooh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Whoa. Oh my god. Let me not mess it up. Let me not mess it up. Act normal. Please act normal. You're not this excited about hair. But I am. I love hair. I can't explain it. Alright, so don't forget to take the good out. There's a lot of stuff in here. Why she coming with all this? Baby, that's how I like it. That's how you know the wig is secure. One thing, two things, three things. There's not a fourth. But girl, let's get into it. Oh, this is big. Oh, I don't even want to run my fingers through here. What is that? What? Somebody wrote on it? G2W1W1BP. What is that? Oh, they probably done put a bomb in here. Oh, y'all. Oh, anything that says BP, well, I mean, it's like a gas station, in my opinion. The BP, you know, it's in the hood. Okay, whatever, y'all. But look, let's get into this. Look how beautiful this color is. Let me take the stock card out. How is the stock card in here? What? Scissors? So this is the stock card if you come across this wig. It is 100% virgin Remy touch. And look at the model. Like, you see, it is really, really long. The color is beautiful too, that the model is wearing, which is a OF natural white. But I ended up getting F4/24. The item number is SLP.NARI. And also at the bottom they have other colors available, and they have a lot. If you're not feeling what the model is wearing and what I'm wearing today, you have a choice of a lot of units. So like I said, I have never heard of this company, Subduction Rose Signature Wig. I'm assuming that's what it's called, the company. I don't know. But like I said, all the information in the description box. If you want to buy this unit, purchase this unit, I got you. Okay? So let's get into the details of this wig. So I already told y'all it's 28 inches, which is beautiful and long. Because, honey, when they say it feels like Remy hair, baby, it's feeling soft. Let's look at the details on the inside of this wig. So she does have two combs right here on the side. She has one in the back. She has the adjustable straps. So let's look at the lace area, which is a middle part, which is pretty good. I like middle parts. I ain't even gonna lie. I love the middle parts. The outside, can y'all see this beautiful unit? She does have baby hairs, and you know, they're not bad. They're not that bad. I like them. They're cute. because I can make it do what it do. You feel me? But this is beautiful. I'm loving this unit. Can y'all see that little color right there? Look at that. Ain't that cute? This is going to be a beautiful unit. Why I ain't never heard of this company? Let's get started with this.
30 hertz straight up.
I am in love with this unit. It is beautiful. If I were to give this a rating, baby, yes, it's a 10. Now, let me tell you everything that I've done off camera. So I am going to cut layers in this part, but I cut more layers before. I also trimmed the ends. I bump the top area, as you can see. But overall, that's all I've done. You saw everything that I've done. I flattened it. It took heat, which is good. I literally don't have anything bad to say about this unit. I absolutely love it. Like I told y'all before, I don't know this brand, but I hope you guys look at the stock card because I gave you all the information on this unit. So that's all I got to say.